How to monetize a TikTok account. So if you want to monetize a TikTok account, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your TikTok application. So tap on open up your TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, now go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and here you will have your creator studio. But if you don't have your creator studio, then you may have an option of creator tools. So in order to get creator tools, your TikTok account should be registered under a creator account, because if you don't have a creator account, then you will not have that option. So let me switch my account to a creator account. So once you switch your account to a creator account or a business account, then you just need to simply go with your profile, and on the upper right you may have TikTok studio or anything like that. So what you need to do is simply tap on the TikTok studio. It might be here on the upper right of your screen or on the middle of your screen. So tap on TikTok studio. Once you tap on it, here you will have an option of monetization. So you can simply monetize your TikTok account using all of these options. These are all the methods of monetization. Let's say if you want to monetize using gifts, then you will have the option of gifts. For now, I only have two options. Or you can simply go with view all, which is here on the upper right, and then you can view all of the options of monetization. So you can get a subscription or you can work with artists. So if you tap on subscription, then to become a subscription creator or to monetize your account, you need to have at least 1,000 followers and you need to have a live access. And you need to follow the TikTok community guidelines. So if you choose a method to monetize your TikTok account, then once you choose the method, it will show you all of the criteria that you have to meet in order to monetize your account. So if you meet the criteria that TikTok is asking you to, then you just need to simply tap on OK, which will be on the bottom right of your screen, and you'll be able to monetize. But if you're not being able to do that, then it means you have not met the criteria given by TikTok. So in this way, you can simply go back and then choose another option or choose another way to get monetized. So to get monetized, you need to have at least 1,000 or 10,000 followers, and the videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts. You can also monetize your account by getting gifts on your top performing videos. So in order to monetize your TikTok account with your gifts, you have to have an account that's been active for at least 30 days, and you need to meet the age requirement. Accounts not used by government, politicians, and political parties. So if you meet the criteria, simply go with OK or turn on or yes, whichever the option it is on the bottom of your screen, then you will be able to monetize your TikTok account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.